Hola everyone and welcome to my channel. My name is Jesus and this is Weirdo Beauty. For today's video, I'll be showing you how to get these fun St. Patrick's Day inspired nails. The polish I'm using today is the long-lasting base coat by Holo Taco, the white LA Colors Color Last polish named Evermore, the green holographic Color Club nail lacquer named Supernatural, the Sally Hansen Hard as Nails Extreme Wear Invisible polish, the Super Glossy Taco by Holo Taco, and some green and gold holographic hexagonal glitter. If you're ready, let's get started with this tutorial. The first step is to apply my base coat, and since I'll be using nail vinyls today, I won't be applying my usual peel-off base coat since I don't want my nail art to peel off. Now I'm applying the white polish to 4 of my nails since I want to leave one as an accent nail. Now you may see me applying white to all of my nails, but later on I remove the white polish from one of my nails since I forgot to leave one blank. This polish requires 2 to 3 coats to be opaque. For the accent nail, I'm just applying the green holographic polish, and I absolutely love this color, and it applies opaque in one coat. Once my white nails were dry, I apply the super glossy top coats so I can prepare for nail vinyls. And I want the white polish to be nicely sealed and dry. I allow them to dry for 20 to 30 minutes, but this top coat dries faster than any top coat I've ever tried. I got these cloverleaf nail vinyls on eBay, and I'll leave a link in the description down below to where you can find them. I cut the nail vinyls in half since my nails are shorter, and I won't be needing the whole thing to cover my nail. I make sure the vinyl is firmly pressed onto my nail. I'm applying the green holographic polish on top, and I make sure to get every crevice fully coated in the polish. And while the polish is still wet, I quickly peel off the vinyl and reveal the cute design. This next step is optional, but I just wanted to add a little flair to my nails. I take some clear nail polish and not a top coat, and I paint tiny dots in between the empty spaces of the clovers, and with the tip of a cuticle pusher, I apply some green and gold holographic hexagonal glitter into those clear dots. last step is to apply a final coat of the super glossy top coat to all of my nails, including the accent nail. And this tutorial is complete. If you like this video, you can subscribe to my channel, watch another video, and turn on the notification bell to get notified when I upload a new video. I'll leave links to my Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter, and TikTok if you'd like to follow me on there as well. I'll see you on the next one. Adios!